Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Alfas arikady, and today in this video I am showing that how to fix download pending option in your Play Store. And you can also fix this issue in a few clicks. And there is no need to format your device, and you can also fix this problem without formatting your device. And without wasting our time, if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to a video. And there are two methods to improving your download pending option in your Google Play Store. And the first method is open your Google Play Store. And after that you can see the menu option of your Google Play Store in the top of this application. And you want to select the menu option and go to settings of your Google Play. And after that you can see more option like this, and here you want to select Play Store version and you want to tap 1 or 3 times like this. And after that you will appear like this screen, and now you can see you are a Play Store developer. And after that you want to check your Play Store has been updated or not. And my Play Store is already updated, and if you have seen like this build version only, you want to update your latest Play Store, and it will be clicking 1 or 3 times like here. You can update automatically. And the next one is you want to clear all your local history, and select like this clear local history. And our first method is over, and this is 100% working, and you can also try it at your home. And if the first trick is not working on your Android, you want to just try our second method. Open your settings in your device. And after opening your settings, you want to select applications. In some of the device you can see apps or app info and app managers. And here you want to select the applications for app manager. And after that like this. And after you want to select Google Play services like this, and you want to select it. And after that here you want to click clear cache. And I have already cleared my cache, so I am not trying to clear this. And after that you want to go back to your app manager, and you want to select your Google Play Store application by here. And after selecting the Google Play Store, once again you want to clear cache of your Google Play Store. Before we have done is Google Play services, and clear your cache, and once again you want to select clear data. And after selecting clear data, go back to your home screen, and now try to download any application. And the download pending option is completely free about you, and there is no download pending option will see you when you are downloading any applications. And I think you have enjoyed our video, and if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.